Hey, so if ShareX isn't capturing your screen, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when you need quick screenshots. Maybe nothing happens, or the capture just fails. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to get it working again. First, check your hotkeys. If they're not set correctly or conflicting with another app, screenshots won't trigger. Try running ShareX as administrator. Sometimes permissions can block screen capture. If you're trying to record or capture advanced modes, yeah, make sure tools like FFmpeg are installed properly. Other apps, like screenshot tools or overlays, can interfere. Close tools like screen recorders, overlays, or gaming software. Make sure you're using the correct capture mode, like full screen, region, or window. Sometimes the wrong mode causes issues. Make sure ShareX is up to date. Older versions can have bugs that prevent capturing. Try restarting ShareX or even your computer. This can fix temporary glitches. If nothing works, reinstall ShareX. A clean install can fix deeper issues. So yeah, that's how to fix ShareX not capturing your screen. One of these steps should get it working again pretty quickly. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech fixes.